Need to purchase Detroit Tiger tickets online. Then, in today's video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily buy or purchase Detroit Tigers tickets online. First thing first, move into your Chrome or Google Chrome. In the address bar, search for Ticketmaster.com or Ticketmaster. Head over to this site, Ticketmaster.com. It will land you on this official page of Ticketmaster. Click on Sign In or Register at the top right corner of the screen and then log in into your specific account. Once logged in, choose the location and the dates of which you want to purchase. And in the search bar, search for Detroit Tigers. Tons of different shows will be available to you. Choose the very first one. And now, if you scroll down, different location and dates will be available to you. Simply click on Find Tickets on the specific one. Now select the number of tickets that you want to purchase and then choose the specific seat. Let me choose this one for now. Click on it and then tap on Reserve Tickets. Follow the on-screen process and pay the amount. Once the amount has been paid, your ticket will be reserved or booked. That's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.